हम बात करें इंडियन क्रिकेट टीम का सुपरस्टार दिनेश कार्तिक के बारे में, कौन नहीं जानता। लंबे टाइम तक इंडियन टीम के लिए खेला है और आईपीएल भी कलकत्ता नाइट राइडर्स के लिए कैप्टन के तौर पर बतौर आईपीएल जीता है। और उनका पहला T10 टेनिस बॉल का जो आगमन हुआ है, उनका मेन मुख्य अम्बेडकर है जो मुंबई में आए हैं। उनका बहुत ज़ोरदार स्वागत हुआ और उनके स्वागत में क्या क्या कौन क्या क्या बोला है, आइए हम जानते हैं। और क्या क्या होगा आने वाले वक्त में, हम सब पूरी जानकारी इस वीडियो के माध्यम से देखते हैं।
First of all, as I said, thank you so much for coming. It's been an honor and privilege to have come here to start out this conference plainly because this is what is going to reach to the length and breadth of all the cricketers playing in Maidans, playing in the smaller villages. That is the whole aim. They know now that they have an avenue, a place for them to showcase their talent. That is the most important thing. At the end of the day, what media does is one of the most crucial aspects for any field, which is give exposure. We want everyone to know there's a tournament starting this way, which is going to be played with tennis ball cricket, which is the same ball that is used wherever you play in India. And eventually, if you want to do something special, come be part of this trial, register yourself, and hopefully you will be chosen when you showcase what your talent is. And from there on, sky is the limit as to how far you can go. That is the main purpose. Thank you so much again.
Super.
What to say? The only thing in my mind is my vision. I just want to convey a small message that join us in any capacity because we are coming up with a new festival, with a new celebration of cricket. We are trying to create, and I think I'll say we will create a new IPL of tennis ball, India ka त्यौहार of tennis ball. And just wait and watch and join us. Thank you.
इन दो लोगों के बोलने के बाद बोलना नहीं चाहिए. See, it's very simple. As DK has been emphasizing from the beginning of our conversation, come and showcase your talent because tomorrow or day after.
चाय के साथ बातें. Yeah, ready. पूछिए आदर्श जी. साइलेंस प्लीज. साइलेंस. ओके सर, पूछिए.
Sir, congratulations for this. Excuse me. Can you just introduce yourself to the media? Rolling again. So, good morning, sir. I'm Adarsh from News Helpline. So, first of all, congratulations for this league. So, we would like to know about this league, what it is all about, how it is going to be.
So it's a T10 Super Tennis Cricket League, the name of the league, and it is again it is a tennis ball cricket league. We are the first league, and we the informal, which we are formalizing it from the trials till the league. So the unique thing of ours is we are starting from the trials, then we are selecting the players, then we are making a player pool for the league, then the auctions and like that the league.
And sir, I would like to know how do you feel to be part of this, exciting journey that is coming up, and being a co-founder.
Always being part of a cricket league is exciting. Add to the fact that this is a completely different bunch of people that we will be seeing. One who plays in societies, one who plays in their own villages. So to get people like that playing in front of a live audience and be telecasted is a dream for a lot of them who are playing cricket right now. And we know even today cricket is the most celebrated sport in the country. So to have a lot of passionate people who play for the joy of it, have the experience to play at a much nicer level is something that I'm very excited to be associated with.
And sir, initially tennis ball cricket is something how a cricketer starts his journey, maybe in his childhood or somewhere. So I would like to know how will this league will contribute to the development of cricket on the grassroots level.
As you have said only, the cricketer who, I think the technicalities he will tell you, but the main funda of why we are doing this with tennis ball is to start to create that energy and that, I think what can we say, that professionalism in the cricketers who are playing in gullies and societies, so that they can shift their dream from tennis to leather ball and they can create something bigger than that.
Thank you, sir. Your take on this?
The whole point is to make sure people at the grassroots level get the opportunity. So eventually when a lot of those young boys from their neighboring villages, their friends get to play, the passion and the interest develops for the sport. That is the whole challenge. That is the whole challenge.
And sir, whenever a new initiative comes up, so it always has a goal or a vision. So what is your vision, and what is the vision of your personal vision of this cricket league according to you?
Well, let's start from the STCL point of view. I think the bigger vision for us as a group is to make sure there is no one who feels left out who has picked up a bat or ball in the country. That is the bigger goal. For me, it is to make sure that a young boy or a girl who has always wanted to play the sport but never got the opportunity to showcase it in front of a lot of people gets that opportunity.
And ma'am, your take on this?
See, main reason is that only that we are trying to provide opportunities to those who think that they are not getting opportunities. And one more thing I want to add is, we are, as I have said earlier also, we are trying to create a celebration. We are trying to create one more IPL of tennis cricket, because we all know how IPL is celebrated in India. So I think for tennis ball also, there is so much craze of tennis ball cricket in India, but there is not so much light on it. So we are just on that.
And lastly, I would like to ask, as you said, this will enhance people on the grassroots level, and you are kind of making an IPL for the tennis ball tournament. So can we expect, future stars will represent the teams in the IPL, or someone from the, this tournament can we see in future who will be in the Indian jersey? Do you think? Is it possible?
Definitely, it is possible.
And lastly, sir, my question to Dinesh sir is, so you have seen the cricket evolve over the years, more than 2 decades you have been part of this cricket. So what do you think currently Indian cricket has evolved much since you started playing? How much more can Indian cricket be, evolved now, and what do you think is the future of this cricket at current, if you see the players out there?
What it was a decade ago to what it is now, like you said, the right world has evolved, it's changed. Also, players have adapted, and so have the people watching the sport. It's obviously on an upward curve when it comes to Indian cricket, the standard of cricket, how many players play the sport. And with every passing year, every brand that is associated with the sport is growing. And that tells you that there are a lot of takers for it. And sky's the limit, sir. It can go to as big as any sport that's ever been there in the history of mankind. So I just wish cricket is already now become a sport where globally people know what it is. It usually wasn't the case 2 decades ago, but it's great to see the speed at which it is growing.
And my last question, one small message to all the cricket fans out there, and everyone out there who's going to be a part of this, what will be your message as a co-founder for this league?
Everyone who's ever picked up a bat or a ball and wanted to play this sport, here is your opportunity. All you need to do is register, and you'll be called for trials, and if you're good enough, you'll be picked, because there'll be 4 international cricketers who will spend time observing a lot of you all on ground level and making sure the right talent doesn't get missed. So here's your opportunity to do something very special for yourself and for your family. Get in, take the opportunity, and showcase the skills that you have.
I'll just say, join us and see the opportunities which we are taking, which we are coming up with. And the only thing is, you have to register, you have to showcase your talent, and that is the only thing you can do if you want to be a star in cricket.
So that's it. Thank you so much for joining us for this conversation.
Thank you, Dinesh ji. Thank you.
Sir is here, ma'am is here for a special announcement. So, over to you.
मैं तो सर इतना बोलना चाहूँगा कि इस लीग के अंदर कंफर्म म्यूजिक तो अच्छा होगा। फैंटास्टिक एंटरटेनमेंट एंड क्रिकेट का मेरा आप लोग सोचते होंगे मेरा क्या लेना देना क्रिकेट का, डेफिनेटली मेरा कोई लेना देना नहीं, बट मेरे वाजिद का लेना देना बहुत ज़्यादा था. वाजिद ऑलवेज वांटेड टू बिकम अ क्रिकेटर एंड इसी क्रिकेट की मोहब्बत के चक्कर में हम लोगों ने जितनी भी क्रिकेट लीग है उसको डिज़ाइन किया, उसका म्यूज़िक दिया है और काफ़ी मतलब एल्बम्स बनाए हैं क्रिकेट की जितनी भी चल रही हैं अभी. तो आई एम हियर फॉर वाजिद, लेट्स सी व्हाट हैपेंस.
And sir, lastly, I would like to ask, how does it feel to be associated with this Super Tennis Cricket League?
I think it's a fantastic idea. I really like the idea when Ashu told me about it. जब आपकी टीम ने मुझे बताया इस बारे में तो I feel कि it's fun और T10 10 ओवर का जो मैच है it's very fast and you know happening. तो you can't miss this match and उसमें सिर्फ मारना ही मारना है आपको. तो I enjoy all that thing 4-6. तो मेरे ख्याल से इस मैच के अंदर 4-6 ज़्यादा दिखने को मिलेंगे. And I think there is a very big scope for more cricket in India because cricket से अभी तक इंडिया का पेट भरा नहीं है. Because wherever I travel, wherever I go, जब भी मैं गाड़ी में जाता रहता हूँ या कहीं पे भी ट्रैवल करता हूँ. अभी फिलहाल मैं अभी कश्मीर गया था तो कश्मीर I went deep inside and the only thing I saw there कि वहाँ की ग्राउंड्स पे कश्मीरी बच्चे क्रिकेट खेल रहे हैं. They don't have a ball and bat properly ये वो, जबकि वहाँ बैट बनता है. फिर मैंने देखा कि वहाँ बैट की भी फैक्ट्री है. So yeah, I think cricket is fantastic for India. It's like a religion.
And finally, now the time has come for the big reveal. I would like ma'am to be on the center stage here.
I think I should call Rashid sir for this.
Rashid sir, I want you to please be on the stage for this special moment. So Rashid sir, all yours now.
I want to talk about Rashid. Rashid is like a kid brother to me. He's a very dear friend, and I always saw that he's a very मतलब वो होता है ना जद्दोजहदी, किसी चीज़ में भी अगर लग जाता है तो उसमें अपनी जद्दोजहद करते रहता है and काफ़ी डिसिप्लिन आती है and he's a fantastic guy and all the best.
Thank you for the kind words. Okay, so for all of us as the league team and significant sports, for all of us it is privilege and we are very honored to announce we are allocating our first franchise to Sajid Wajid called Banaras Rangreji. So it will be owned by Sajid Wajid. Of course, you must be thinking why I am saying Sajid Wajid. He likes to get called by Sajid Wajid, except rather than calling Sajid Wajid. So that's why it's Sajid Wajid. This is the first franchise officially allocated of T10 STCL. So thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for believing in me. You always have been one of elder brothers when I can come up to you and have a conversation about anything. In fact, we have had a lot of conversation about cricket in the past.
Yes.
Made a lot of fun about a lot of people inside your studio room.
मैंने इसको ऐसी झूठ कहा कि मैं बहुत अच्छी बैटिंग करता हूँ और मैं मतलब अच्छे को मारता हूँ. तो इसने एक दिन ग्राउंड पे हम लोग थे तो ये ऐसा जोर से भागा ना, इसकी बात को देख के मैं डर गया. तो मैंने खेलो मैं नहीं खेलता यार. तो मैंने इतना लंबा आदमी पता नहीं कहाँ से फेंक के मारेगा. बट इसमें मजा आएगा. आई थिंक बहुत सारी फैमिलीज इन्वॉल्व होगी, बहुत सारे बच्चे जो क्रिकेट के लिए उम्मीद रखते हैं. आप देखिए वो प्लेटफॉर्म सक्सेस का इतना भरा हुआ है, इतना चारों तरफ हमारे हर क्रिकेट भरी हुई. तो आई थिंक ये एक प्लेटफॉर्म देना मेरे ख्याल से बहुत अच्छी बात है और इसके अंदर काफ़ी टैलेंट सामने आएगा जो अभी तक अंदर है और अभी भी उम्मीद लगाता है. मैंने देखा है कि रणजी ट्रॉफी के अंदर भी इतनी भीड़ है, हर चीज़ में इतनी भीड़, IPL में इतनी भीड़ है, इंडिया की टीम में इतनी भीड़ है, हर जगह इतनी भीड़ है, इतने सारा वेटिंग लिस्ट है. तो आई थिंक प्लेटफॉर्म देना मेरे ख्याल से आने वाली जनरेशन के लिए इट विल बी अ फैंटास्टिक थिंग.
क्या बात
एंड आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट कि जब हम ट्रायल्स लेने जा रहे हैं तो प्लीज़ आप अवेलेबल रहिए, स्पेशली हम जब यूपी जा रहे हैं बिकॉज यूपी में बहुत सारे शहर, हम मेरे ख्याल से 9 या 10 अलग शहर जा रहे हैं हम, इंक्लूडिंग बनारस जिसके पीछे आपकी टीम का नाम भी है, रंगरेज बनारस. तो आपको ट्रायल्स में अवेलेबल होना पड़ेगा ताकि आप उस वक्त बच्चों को और बेहतर तरीके से देख के परख सकें. ऑफ कोर्स आपकी टीम होगी जो पूरा काम देखेगी, आप नहीं होंगे, आप किसी रहते हैं.
कोई बात नहीं, मेरी अवेलेबिलिटी की फीस तरह देख लेना. नहीं कह रहा हूँ, मजाक कर रहा हूँ. If I'm associating and if I'm putting myself into this T10 match, तो definitely इस brand के साथ में हम बहुत कुछ करेंगे और बहुत मजा आएगा. And I think people will love it.
क्या बात, बहुत बेहतरीन, बहुत बेहतरीन.
Thank you.
I would call them directly to get on the stage, please, to get